So in the kit that you picked up from the Talk to Me exhibit, you'll find 2 paper cups, a piece of string, a paper clip, and 2 round washers. These are the supplies that you'll need to make your string telephone. You'll also need some markers, pencil crayons, whatever you have at home to color with, and you'll also need a pen to poke a hole. So the very first thing that you're going to do to make your string telephone is you're going to color and decorate your paper cups as you like. However you like, you can color and decorate these. You can pause the video now to do that, and then we'll move on to the next step. So the next thing, after you have colored your paper cups, is we're going to flip them upside down just like this so that the lip of the cup is on your table. And we're going to be poking holes in the bottom of each of the paper cups. The holes should eventually be about this big. We're going to be using a paper clip and our pen to get the size that we need. So with your paper clip here, you can unfold it just very carefully and gently so that one end of the paper clip is nice and straight. And then very carefully, we're going to poke it right in the middle of the bottom of our paper cups here, just like so. Wiggle it around just a little bit to make it a little bit looser. So it'll be a little bit like this. And now we need it just a tiny bit bigger, so we can take the end of our ballpoint pen here and very, very carefully poke our hole, just like so. So it's about this size. So you can take your piece of string, and we're going to put one end through the bottom of the cup, through the hole. We're going to thread it through here. Sometimes you might find that you need help with the paper clip or the pen to get it through. That's all right. Now that we have this piece of string through, we're going to take one of the round washers. We're going to tie the washer to the string so that it doesn't slip through the hole once we're using our string telephone. So we're going to take that washer here, thread the string through it, and then we're going to tie a knot here to hold it in place, just like so. You probably will need to tie a double or even a triple knot just to make sure that it's nice and thick and it's not going to slip through on the bottom of your telephone. Perfect. Okay, now you can pull it tight just a little bit so that in the end you can see that it's not going to fall through. Do the same thing with the other cup. I'm going to take the other end of the string. We're going to thread it through the bottom here, pull it through, just like so, and then take the end of the string and put it through the washer. And then just like before, we're going to tie a double or even a triple knot to make sure that it's nice and thick. Okay, pull it tight, just like this. So it should look a little bit like this with your colored paper cups. And now we're ready to try out our string telephones.
Oh my gosh, Emily, that was so much fun. How do I learn more about telephones?
You can check out our Talk to Me exhibit at the Wellington County Museum and Archives, and also check out our website. We have a video series coming out